Hey everybody, this is Rosie, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of the first ever Swoon Sewing Box. So this is a spoiler alert. If you don't want to know what's inside this box, stop watching the video right now. So here's the box. The only thing that I've done is take off the mailing label. It has this really nice logo packing tape on it. I really like that. The box was $45, but it included shipping. So again, it's a spoiler alert. I have not opened this box, and I'm going to do it right now on camera. So let's see what's inside. It actually feels pretty well packed. It feels like there's a lot of stuff in here. At least it feels like it's full. The box feels full. Are you coming to say hello to everybody? Okay, so here we go. Okay. Oh, okay. So there's a little card in here that tells you everything that's in the box. Oh, OdiCoat. I've never used this before. I've been reading about it. I know that people have been using it. So this is really great because I've been thinking about trying it. So you get that. And there's a really nice metal zipper in here. It's probably, let's see. I would say that it's a 9-inch zipper. There is a pair of scissors in here. It looks like Tula pink. Let's see. Yes, it's a 4-inch pair of Tula pink scissors in rainbow. That's really nice. And there's some really nice fabric. According to the card, it looks like it's Liberty Fabrics featuring the original design from Hesketh. I've never heard of that. But printed in 1896. But it's got a really nice feel to it. It's got a nice hand. And there's a card here about OdiCoat, or OdiCoat I should say. So I'm not really sure what that is. And then there is a fabric fusion pen. Okay, I've never heard of this one either. It's from Eileen's, but that looks like something that's going to be very useful. And there's some more brown paper in the back of the box. And there's a little bag here, again with the logo on it. And let's see what's inside. Okay, there is a Bag Lady pin. It's just a regular pin. That's cute. Oh, this looks like a turn lock. And I'm not sure how it opens up. Oh, look at that. Is that cute or what? That is really adorable. So I would say, I'll move the box out of the way. So these are the items that came. And I would say, this was well worth the purchase. You know, it's, I don't think I could have purchased these items for $35. You know, I'm assuming maybe it cost $10 to mail the box. I don't think I could have purchased these items for $35. So I would say that it's a really nice value. I'll move in a little bit closer. So there you go. I'm really happy with it. This thing is really adorable. Now I'm going to have to decide what to make to put this on. Okay, and you will probably see that in one of my upcoming videos. So if you were unsure about purchasing the box and were just waiting to see what was going to be inside, I would say that this was a nice value and just really nice to get a surprise in the mail. So there you go. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.